Welcome to step 4 of our 10-step rental process, marketing. Our marketing is what sets your property apart, and timing is everything. By now, your property is in rentable condition, it looks great, and everything works, which is exactly when we want to market it. We bring in professional photographers, real cameras, never cell phones, for HDR photography, drone shots, and a virtual tour. We present your property the same way we would as if we were selling it, with clean, crisp, professional photos designed to get it noticed. From there, your listing goes live on our website and syndicates out to around 30 sites renters actually use, along with on-site marketing. And all of this is included in the management fee you're already paying. Those photos keep working for you too. When a resident gives their 30-day notice, we remarket right away to cut your vacancy time and protect your return. The goal isn't just exposure. It's attracting quality applicants who are excited about your property, because in this business, days are money. Once your property is marketed, we are ready for step 5.